Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Apple, your Ilongga vlogger. For today's video, we'll be making the Rellenong Talong. Here are the ingredients. We need soy sauce, minced garlic and onions, small diced potatoes, ground chicken, cooked eggplant, and the beaten eggs. For the first step, grill the eggplants until it's tender, peel off the skin and set aside. Now let's make the filling. Heat oil in a pan. Sauté garlic and onions. Add the ground chicken and slightly mash it to separate it from each other. Cook until it turns light brown. This time, add the soy sauce. Cook it for like 1 to 2 minutes. Add the potatoes. Mix it very well and put some 2 tablespoons of water. Cook the potatoes until it's soft, then season it with salt and pepper to taste. Set it aside. Going back to our cooked eggplant, flatten it using the back of the fork, then dip it to the beaten eggs, and we're ready to fry it. Fry it into a very low heat, then add the filling in the middle part of the eggplant. Slightly roll it just like this. Continue rolling until the filling is fully covered. I suggest stuffing all the eggplants in a very low heat, and once done, you can continue frying it in medium heat. Then, we're ready to serve it. So here is our stuffed eggplant or Rellenong Talong. That's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you do, hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel as well by clicking the subscribe button below and the bell icon right next to it. See ya!